Welcome to episode 2 of the Onwards YouTube channel. This week we're going to take a closer look at our current build, which is this medium wheelbase 4x4 MAN TGE behind me. We trim some panels, we add some ash cladding to the ceiling, we build the hollow bedboard for the elevating roof, and some general workshop bits and pieces. We also have one of our past builds visit to have their custom aluminium roof rack and side ladder fitted, so we hope you enjoy. Cheers.
Your husband would be manipulated the entire weight of the legal system as a weapon. It's happening so often now.
That is a very good question, and in fact, Julian's case went all the way to the Supreme Court. He lost.
Exactly. What were the Swedish allegations, and how many people brought them forward, and why weren't they pursued?
So.
Now we've finished the ash cladding on the ceiling, we're going to move on to the elevating bedboard. Jake has finished CNCing all of these components. We put it through the router and removed all of the tabs. I'm going to give it a quick sand, and then we're going to build this hollow structure which makes up the bedboard. Once we've built this lightweight structure, we're going to add the offcuts of the ash cladding so that each of the strips are grain matched. So let's go for it. So that's the elevating bedboard all but complete. We've got a couple of last plugs to trim down and fit the last spots once it's been fitted to the van. But yeah, thing of beauty. So it's a Thursday evening in the workshop. We've just finished our work day and I'm going to head over to my friend Mackie's boat and finish off the electrical system that we've been installing. Yeah, I was like, oh, like here she is.
Mate, your hat's here.
My hat?
Do you want a cup of tea?
Yeah, I'll have a cuppa. So here we are on Mackie's boat. Say hello, Mackie.
Hi.
Say hello to YouTube.
Cup of tea.
You. Pretty epic backdrop. Right.
Mains wired in, all the sockets.
Perfect. You happy with them?
Yeah.
Do access-wise, we just need to
So I think what do we need to do? We
need to do the solar. We need to connect the solar
Oh,
wires.
actually ring the tape.
Yeah, it's just there.
So I could shorten that wire to
Yeah.
tidy it up.
Yeah, we'll do that. Yeah.
But that obviously is live at the moment. So I can...
It's pretty. Yeah. It's
What are you doing it? Just like
It's part of that.
I've no idea what I'm going to do.
Oh yeah, definitely.
It's quite fun to
So,
see like some
quiet.
of the stuff you're like, okay.
To do that.
Oh yeah,
To
fine.
do it up. Yeah.
Once they're down the board, they'll be happy.
You just need to make sure that when you that like they don't come loose. Basically, they got thingy nuts, so it's all good. Here we have the custom aluminium roof rack that we designed in house and had fabricated for one of our current builds. It's a long wheelbase 4Motion crafter. And this roof rack and the side ladder is going to be the cherry on top, to be honest with you. It's just the last piece of the build. So once I've fitted the solar panels and the brackets for the awning, we could then going to get the long wheelbase crafter back into the workshop and fit this roof rack. So here goes.
A social conversation, and I know exactly where this conversation is going. That's great. I know exactly what I want to say.
Yeah, that looks right. I know that's So we finished fitting the custom aluminium roof rack and the side ladder to the long wheelbase 4Motion crafter, and yeah, we're really happy with how it came out. So you can see we've got the black powder coated aluminium ladder here, and Jake's designed it so that it follows the contours of the van really nicely. So you've got the Dometic roof vent in place, and you've got the two 100 watt solar panels and ample space for storage. And we've also got on the near side there is the Fiamma F45 pull-out awning. So this is the last piece of the puzzle on this build. Today's one of those exciting days because we are doing the final fit of the furniture in the MAN TGE. So here we've got part of the rear garage storage area. We've got the main bed structure. It's all been lacquered. It's all ready to go in. We've got some of the upholstery here. And yeah, the bench is full of bits and pieces ready to go into this build. So By this afternoon we should have a shot for you of it looking 99% complete, except for the systems. Lovely. That's one.
Which went to number 1 in 1991 after it was used in jeans advert. This time in 1921 it was quite interesting music, I think. We had the Simpsons at number 1 too. Then we clashed with this song, which was already 9 years old, and then 2 comedians turning in place. Yes, they were at number 1.
That's it for our second episode. It's been a productive few weeks. We pushed this build on by a fair bit. Hopefully in the next episode you'll see all the systems going in. We're going to be finishing off all of this furniture. We've got the Iroko worktops to go in, the Iroko floor to finish, and some of the finishing touches for this MAN TGE 4x4 build. If you've got any feedback, then be sure to leave us some comments, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.